Did you know that nutrient deficiencies can be the silent killers of your plants? Let's uncover how to spot these issues before it's too late. In this video, you'll learn how to identify the signs of nutrient deficiencies in your plants, ensuring they stay healthy and vibrant. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, this info is crucial for keeping your green friends thriving. Many gardeners struggle with nutrient deficiencies, which can lead to poor plant growth and yield. Imagine putting in all that effort to grow your plants, only to find them wilting or not producing as they should. It's frustrating, right? Understanding how to recognize these symptoms is crucial. Nutrient deficiencies can sneak up on you, often mimicking other issues like pests or diseases. And without the right knowledge, you could be treating the wrong problem while your plants suffer. So, let's dive into how you can spot these sneaky deficiencies before they wreak havoc on your garden. Now, let's explore the common symptoms of nutrient deficiencies. First up, yellowing leaves. If your plant's leaves are turning yellow, especially starting from the bottom, it often indicates a nitrogen deficiency. This nutrient is vital for lush, green growth, so don't ignore those yellow leaves. Then, there's stunted growth. If your plants seem to be growing at a snail's pace, it could be a sign they're not getting enough phosphorus. This nutrient helps with root development and flower production, so check your soil if things are looking sluggish. Another key symptom is poor fruit development. If your plants are flowering but not setting fruit, it might be a potassium deficiency. This nutrient is essential for overall plant health and helps with fruit size and quality. So, keep an eye on your plants and look for these telltale signs. The earlier you catch these symptoms, the better your chances of reversing the problem. The key moment in diagnosing nutrient deficiencies is knowing which symptoms correspond to specific nutrients. For example, nitrogen deficiency often leads to older leaves yellowing first, while new growth stays green. On the other hand, if you see purpling in the leaves, especially under cooler conditions, that's a classic sign of phosphorus deficiency. And don't forget potassium. If you notice browning leaf tips or edges, it could indicate a potassium issue. Understanding these connections is crucial for effective plant care. So, take notes and familiarize yourself with these signs. Remember to regularly check your plants for signs of nutrient deficiencies. Look out for yellowing leaves, stunted growth, and poor fruit development. With a little observation, you can catch these issues early and take action to ensure your plants stay healthy and happy. Your garden will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. And let us know your experiences with nutrient deficiencies in the comments below. What have you spotted in your plants? We'd love to hear your story.